how we design is kind of centered around how we live. Hello, my name is Sindiso Khumalo. I'm a textile designer and my print style is quite graphic. I work a lot with paper cutouts, so I make a lot of my prints by hand. When I was working on these patterns with Renee, each of us developed a print separately, and then we swapped each other's work and did whatever, gave each other free rein on each other's prints, and then swapped again, and then swapped again. If you can create design that people want to keep long enough to hand over to the next generation, I think you've done your job well as a designer. Working with Johanna and Renee was a really collaborative process, and it really taught me to not hold on so much to this idea of what I am as a designer, who I am, but really be part of a collaborative family.